Arochukwu is one of the towns in Nigeria you just have to visit if you are a tourist that loves seeing African heritage in its natural form. One of the most stunning experiences you should make sure you get from this town is a visit to Iyi Eke, the Python River. Rural News Tourism took us to Amannagwu in Arochukwu to see this special water environment where Eke, the river goddess, lives and receives visitors.
Arochukwu. This is where the river goddess lives. Iyi Eke is the river goddess, and then the giant-sized crocodile also lives here. Let me show you. Okay, that's it. Iyi Eke, one of the tourist destinations you can check out in Arochukwu. That's the Iyi Eke.
Iyi Eke means Python River. We were told that Eke, which means Python, is the goddess of the river, with special powers to answer prayers of those who come to see her for solutions to diverse problems. Our tour guide, who wishes to remain anonymous, said we could not just walk up to the Eke River and see the goddess without special arrangements involving traditional rites required before getting approval to see the river goddess. Well, I wasn't prepared for it at that moment, so I couldn't get close to where Eke, the river goddess, comes out to receive visitors. I was also told that a giant crocodile also lives in Iyi Eke.
Iyi Eke, Amannagwu, Arochukwu.
The crocodile usually comes out in this deep gully to look around, and people are free to see it. It happened that while I was at the Iyi Eke, the crocodile didn't appear. I waited a little, but it wasn't yet time. Surely, my next visit to Iyi Eke will be planned to coincide with the time the crocodile shows up in that hole so I can see it.
This is the pit of the giant crocodile. So it lives within the Iyi Eke with the Eke. This is Iyi Eke, Amannagwu. This is Amannagwu. So when you
My tour guide showed me the stream that flows from where the river goddess stays. He described the stream as water of destiny and said people come here to take their bath, drink from it, expecting good tidings from the river.
People drink the water.
upon now, yes,
people drink the water. Water of blessing.
Okay. So it's
can as well come here and seek for anything, not without going in front of them.
Okay.
And pray whatever you want and promise them what to do.
This water has link with the waterfall. It leads directly to the waterfall from here. Coming from here, it's coming from the waterfall. This is Iyi Eke. People from here for prayers. People drink the water, bath here, expecting blessings and all that from the Iyi Eke. From the Eke, the giant snake, giant crocodile. The babies of giant crocodile also come out here from time to time, and people see them.
It was also said that the giant crocodile has babies, and those baby crocodiles usually come out close to Iyi Eke just to receive fresh air. Well, this is a visit for the brave. I'm sorry I wasn't brave enough to go visit Eke, the giant python. But what I bring you this day is amazing tourist information. So, whenever you get to Arochukwu, ask to visit the Iyi Eke. On special arrangements, you could see Eke, the python river goddess. And of course, make your wish. You should also target your visit to coincide with when the crocodile and the baby crocodiles will be out in the sun just near Iyi Eke. That will surely be fun. As I said, with extra bravery, you could wait and see the giant crocodile and of course, Eke, the river goddess. As for me, I am done and I am gone.